To see the topic domestic animals. Stepping stones. Identify the animal given below. Can you tell why they are useful to us? Here you can see hen, cow, and goat. Domestic animals and animals that are kept by us for our use. Okay, it's called domestic animals. Camel, cow, goat. For example, cow gives us beef and milk. So it is a domestic animal, as well as camel, goat. We can get some uses from those animals. Homes of animals. Here you can see hen, home is coop, pig sty, horse stable, cow shed, dog kennel. Farm animals. Animals that kept in farm and give us many things. Example, you can say cow, buffalo, horse, sheep, goat, hen, and duck. Milk and milk products. You can see here milk, paneer, curd, butter, and ghee are some milk and milk products. Milk contains calcium, protein, and many other nutrients. It makes our bones and teeth stronger. Eggs and meat. You can see hen lays egg, okay, as well as duck. Hen with its egg you can see in the first picture, and ducks with its egg in second picture. Third picture is boiled egg you can see. Birds such as hen, duck, and goose give us eggs. Eggs contain protein. They eaten raw, boiled, or fried form. Eggs used to make cakes, pastries, and muffins. Fish and meat. Fried fish. Second picture you can see chicken. Some people eat fish and the meat of animals such as hen, sheep, and goat. Hence, meat called chicken, goat meat called mutton. Some people also eat crab and prawns, honey, wool, and other things. We get honey and wax from bees. Sheep provide us wool. This is the life cycle of a silk moth. Adult moth lays egg. Eggs become caterpillar. We call it larva. Caterpillar becomes cocoon. We call it pupa. That cocoon becomes adult moth. Silk and leather. You can see silk sari in first picture. We get silk thread from silkworms. Silk is used to make saris, scarves, and neckties. Leather goods. The skin of some animals such as snake and alligator is used to obtain leather. Leather is used to make wallet, belt, jackets, shoes, bags, and many other things. Concept checking. Domestic animal, we can divide it into two parts: farm animals and pet animals. Farm animal gives us milk, egg, meat, honey, leather, silk, wool. Now we will move to activity task 1. Name any one thing that the following animals gives us. Sheep, it gives us wool. Goat, it gives us milk. Cow, it gives us milk. Hen, it gives us eggs. More uses of animals. You can see in this picture more uses of animals. Animals help us to carry heavy loads. They help us to travel from one place to another. Farmers use oxen to plow the soil. Okay, the dung of horse, cows, buffaloes, and camels is used as manure for plants. It helps the plant to grow better. Pet animals. Pet animals that are kept by us at home. Cat, dog, rabbit, and fish are some pets. Pets are like our friends. A dog guards our house. Cat chases mice away. We play with pets and spend time with them. We love them and take care of them. Care for animals. We should take care of animals. We should feed them at the right time, give them healthy food, bathe them, and keep them clean. Keep their home clean. Be kind to them. Take them to an animal doctor if they are unwell. Task 2. Write true for true and of F for false. So here you can do this activity. A dog is a farm animal. It is false. So you have to put F in the bracket. Like that you have to complete the task 2. Task 3. Match the animals with their home. You can do it. Task 4. For where do we get the following? Wax, bees, honeybees gives us wax, wool, sheeps, like that. You have to complete other questions. Task 5. Fill in the blanks. Farmer use blank in field to plow the soil and draw water from wells. It's oxen. Okay, like that you have to complete other questions too. So task 6. Collect 2 pictures each domestic animals and wild animals from all newspapers and magazine. Paste them on A4 paper. Write 3 sentences about each of them. I think you can complete that task also. And the task 7 is take a paper plate or cardboard and make a life cycle of a silk moth. You can do it as well. So this is the end of the lesson. Inshallah, we'll meet with another lesson soon. Take care. Bye.